Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Malaka Bagdu and today I am right here again bringing you one of the spices that I use in my kitchen and I use for my hair. So today we're going to talk about sage. As you guys already know, a lot of people already hear about it a lot. And if you are onto, I just want to put a debunk something right here quick. Some of us are into spiritualities and they use sage for all type of stuff. But just what? Why are we following the creation instead of the creator? Okay, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button so we can get the sharing going. So welcome and thank you for being here. So today, as I'm saying, sage is really a powerful herb that has long been used for various health and wellness benefits. In recent years, though, scientific research and anecdotal evidence have indicated that sage may also benefit hair growth. And that's where you and I come to, I thank God that there's a lot of evidence that it's also help hair, right? So this has been used for centuries to treat various conditions ranging from digestion issues. When you have digestion issues, you can actually boil sage, drink it as a tea. It will help you out. Also, a lot of numerous studies have now shown that it may also contribute to hair growth. So the most common thing that I found out about sage is that there's an active component and it's called rosmarinic. Okay, rosmarinic acid. What it does is anti-oxidant agent. And what that does is that it helps to stimulate the dermal papilla into the scalp, which aids in promotion of hair growth. In addition, sage also have a component, property like, we have also like flavonoid, polyphenol and terpenoid. All of these things, they are great elements that help us to stimulate the growth of our hair. And sage also is known for protecting the scalp from oxidating stress. We all been exposed to oxidation stress. What is oxidation stress? Actually is a condition that occurs when the body has an imbalance, or is exposed to toxin like ultraviolet, for example, radiation, for example, scalp and follicles, certain chemical in our body that affect our scalp or our follicles, leading to thin and brittle hair. So when you got stress oxidation, basically your hair will start getting brittle, thin, and everybody says, oh, my hair is getting thin. I don't know why. Well, check the environment. If you are exposed to free radicals, which is we expose all the time. Even though for example, when we go exercise, we do also inhale some free radicals. But we can help it. We have to exercise, right? That's what sleep actually come a long way to help us so we can get back all the nutrients. So finally, sage can also play a role in helping to balance hormone level within the body. You talk about the DHT, which is dihydrotestosterone, okay? Is a testosterone derivative that can cause hair loss with a natural hormone imbalance. So when you have imbalance, that actually, you see when people sometimes you postpartum, like you have a baby and after a while the hair just start falling. Yeah, that's the cause of it, okay? So today I have a privilege to show you what you can use with sage into your hair. Actually, you can use it as a treatment, just a living condition, or also you can rinse out. Or you can have, like I do sometimes, I can add that, make the water, and when I am doing my shampoo, I can add that to the water. So I just after I finish, wash my hair, I can also do like a rinse out. Or just spray into my hair if you don't mind about for me, I like the aroma. Some people it's too strong for them. But you can also actually add other essential oil to make it better, So let's go ahead and start diving into the demonstration, okay? So basically right here, I have an empty jar. You want to make sure that your jar is clean and washed and everything. And what we're going to do, as you can see, I have my water is boiling right here already. And this is like approximately like a 2 cup. And this is our sage right here. And I found out last time I was passing by, I didn't know that I have sage right here in my garden. I just moved to this house not that long ago. But I have a sage, a big garden of sage. So I don't have to go buy it. And you just wash and clean and kind of put it right there. I'm going to bring it here so you can see. So just put everything inside. Kind of like we're going to sip it, okay? Start with that to see. Just like you making a tea. So we want to make sure that all of this are inside. Just like that, okay? And sometimes you can boil it if you want to, But what I do is I will let this one be there for like 24 hours. So you just pour your water now. And don't do this, guys. I'm so used to picking stuff. Then that's what I'm on. But you can use something, to grab your pan. But just instant. You see how I'm saying? So it's right there. And what I'm gonna do, you know, I have those little top, and and you have the one that is full closed, that's fine. And I just close it up. So I'm gonna leave this for 24 hours. And I will show you what come later when we finish with that. Okay, so if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep sharing going. Please share my video if you like it. Welcome to Hold Me, and I will see you next one. Ciao. All right, now we're back. So welcome back to Hold Me. So as we continue this, you know, for the purpose of video, so I already have another batch that is already done. So I'm going to show you how it look like. And also to add to that, it does sage also have an antibacterial property that can help reduce inflammation and combat scalp infections such as dandruff. Like if you're somewhere around that you are dealing with dandruff, I would say try sage. Do a sage rinse, or put it in your condition altogether, or a treatment. So let's go in and see how. And also I'm gonna show you my secret ingredient that I use when I do those type of living condition. So this is how it look like. I'm gonna show you. You see that? You see that color? Is a nice brown wool color. It's very, and it smells so good. So what we're gonna do now, of course, this is the last, you know, and this will last you for a while. And I would say keep this. You can put it in the fridge by 5 days, or if you don't put it in the fridge by 5, like 2 or 3 days, it should be able to, discard water because you don't want any bacteria. Okay. So we're gonna pour this right here, and I like amber glass because it's more, it protects, from the sun, and depending where you put this in your house. But you can also use this, spray it on your braid if you don't mind. If you like the scent, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. Okay. Now, so we have that right here, and what I do, this is my secret now. I think I showed you guys in my previous video. If you didn't watch that video when I do the clove water, please check it out. And also, I went and thoroughly do another video about sage in total, what is sage and what it does to the body, and even the culinary use of it. So check that video also, and you can learn some more. So this is what I do. This is glycerin right here. So I'm gonna drop some glycerin inside my sage water. Just a couple drops. Okay? And I would say maybe maybe 3 or 4. This is full. I think this is like a 1 milliliter right here. So, and what we do is we're gonna take the top now, just close it really good and give it a good shake. We're gonna make sure that everything is all, cooperated really very well. And that will be our leave-in conditioner. And also, sometimes like you take your braid down, and usually sometimes you take braid down and then your hair is shedding. You can actually, as you take one of braid down, spray, comb through. I promise you, you will be so surprised. It helps to strengthen your braid, as you strengthen your hair as you're taking your braid down. Well, I hope you learned something today, and this is our sage water. Thank you, and I will see you next video. If this video will bless you, please share it with your friend. And we are here every week bringing you a lot of goodies from the kitchen. Okay, I want you to use things that you eat yourself to your head, because everything that we do, actually, it goes a long way. Thank you, and I'll see you until next time, my friend. Stay healthy. Bye for now. Ciao.